My guy, whenever you see warning light on your dashboard, don't do as right and ignore it, because that ignorance can cost you your car.
Explain yourself now. What be this?
Come closer. Let me tell you something. These are 5 warning lights you should never ignore when you see them on your dashboard. 1. Oil pressure warning light. When you see this on your dashboard, it means that your oil pressure is too low for safe engine operation. Man, park your car to one side, turn off that engine, check your dipstick for oil level. One, if you ignore this and continue driving. 2. Temperature warning light. Now this means that your engine is overheating, possibly due to low engine coolant. You need to park your car to one side and turn off the engine. Allow it to cool for 30 minutes. Please do not try to open the radiator. Because if you do, 3. A charging warning light. Now, when this light shows up, it means there must be a problem in your charging system.
It's a little situation.
Now, it could be alternator, it could be battery terminal head, it could be battery issue, it could be anything in your battery charging system. Now, could that brainly, you are seeing this light and you're ignoring it. I will just tell you, don't off your car when you are driving it, because they don't borrow battery and hold up.
What do you mean?
That cannot move again. The speedometer is finished.
4. Brake warning light. Now when this light shows, it means that you have not fully released your parking brake, or there could be low brake fluid, or there's low brake pressure. That means you have to like singer sewing machine before your brake would catch. And you know, brake is not something you play with, except you are one of the Fast and Furious family.
No brakes. What? No brakes.
5. Low tire pressure warning light. Now, when this light comes on, it means that your tires are 25% underinflated. Could have been you have been seeing this light and you're ignoring it, and you think it's not that bad. Well, it's not that bad, Abby.